Have you ever wondered why you eat healthy, stay active, yet still feel weak, tired, or stiff when you wake up in the morning? Here's something most people don't realize. Your muscles don't actually grow in the gym. They repair, recover, and become stronger while you sleep. I'm Dr. Robert, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Now here's the problem. Even if you are eating high-quality food, your body may not be absorbing it properly, and if your digestion is not working efficiently, all that nutrition simply goes to waste. Think about this for a moment. You eat well throughout the day, you try to take care of your health, but when you wake up, you feel body aches, joint stiffness, or low energy. This happens because your body needs a calm, inflammation-free internal environment to repair itself during sleep. If your gut is inflamed or irritated, your body cannot properly use the nutrients you are consuming. That means even the best diet won't give you the results you expect. The good news is, you don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets to fix this. In fact, some of the most powerful solutions are simple, natural, and easily available foods. Today, I'm going to share 4 vegetables that can improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and help your muscles become stronger naturally. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss important health tips like this. Let's start with zucchini. Zucchini is often overlooked, but it is one of the best foods for supporting digestion. It is light, hydrating, and very easy for the body to process. As we age, our digestive system slows down, and heavy foods become harder to break down. Zucchini helps by providing a soothing effect on the stomach. It is rich in magnesium and potassium, which are essential for proper muscle function. These minerals help your muscles contract and relax smoothly. If you experience leg cramps, muscle tightness, or discomfort at night, it could be due to a deficiency in these nutrients. Zucchini also helps keep your body hydrated and can reduce acidity in the stomach. For best results, cook it lightly. Avoid overcooking, as that can reduce its nutritional value. You can combine it with eggs or a light broth to add protein while keeping it easy to digest. Next, let's talk about spinach. Spinach is one of the most powerful vegetables when it comes to maintaining muscle strength, especially as you get older. One of its key benefits comes from natural compounds called nitrates. These nitrates help improve blood circulation by widening your blood vessels. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, helping them stay strong and active. Spinach is also rich in iron, which plays an important role in reducing fatigue and supporting energy levels. In addition, spinach contains compounds that support muscle performance and endurance. Including spinach in your diet a couple of times a week can make a noticeable difference in how your body feels. For best results, cook spinach lightly with garlic and a small amount of oil. Garlic helps reduce inflammation and enhances the overall benefit. Avoid overcooking spinach, as that can reduce its effectiveness. Now let's move on to cauliflower. This is where many people make a critical mistake. They focus only on protein and ignore inflammation. But if your body is inflamed, your muscles cannot grow properly, no matter how much protein you consume. Cauliflower helps reduce internal inflammation and supports better nutrient absorption. It plays an important role in improving your body's overall function. It is rich in vitamin B6, which helps convert the food you eat into usable energy. Without enough vitamin B6, you may feel constantly tired and physically weak. Cauliflower also contains choline, a nutrient that supports communication between your brain and your muscles. This communication is essential for coordination, balance, and movement. When this system works well, your body feels more stable and controlled. To get the best results, avoid overcooking cauliflower. Instead, lightly sauté or steam it. Adding olive oil, turmeric, and a small amount of cumin can enhance its benefits and improve its taste. Finally, let's talk about broccoli. Broccoli is often called a superfood, and for good reason. It contains a powerful compound called sulforaphane, which helps reduce inflammation at a deeper level inside the body. Throughout the day, your body experiences stress, activity, and environmental exposure, all of which can lead to inflammation. Broccoli helps counter this and allows your body to focus on repair and recovery. It is also rich in vitamin C and vitamin K. Vitamin C helps produce collagen, which keeps your joints flexible and healthy. Vitamin K supports bone strength by helping your body use calcium properly. For best results, steam broccoli for about 5 minutes. Avoid boiling it for too long, as that can reduce its nutritional value. Adding lemon and a pinch of black pepper can improve absorption and enhance its effectiveness. Now let's talk about something very important: timing. If you want to see real improvement in your health, try to eat your dinner between 6 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. Eating earlier gives your body enough time to digest food before you go to sleep. When you sleep, your body should focus on repair, not digestion. Late-night heavy meals can interfere with this process and reduce the quality of your recovery. Keep your dinner light. A small portion of vegetables combined with a light protein source such as eggs, fish, or broth is enough. After eating, avoid lying down immediately. Instead, take a light walk for 5 to 10 minutes. This helps improve digestion and keeps your joints active. If you start including these simple habits in your daily routine, you will begin to notice real changes: better sleep, stronger muscles, improved energy, and overall better health. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with someone who needs it. Take care of your health because real strength starts from within.